Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making a delicious Italian mortadella sandwich with cheese. So let's get started. Alright, for the main ingredients to make our delicious Italian mortadella sandwich with cheese, we have an authentic mortadella here, and it was 10 pounds. So we sliced it up thin and we cut it in half. Now this one has peppercorns in it. Now you can get it with pistachios, right? And all these little white spots, are kind of going through here. They're a little bit of pork fat, and when it renders down, it really does taste good. Alright, now over here we have a nice sub roll that we're going to make our sandwich out of, and we're going to lightly toast it. And over here we have a cup of provolone cheese that we're going to put on top. Yep, it's going to be cheesy. Alright, now this really does taste good. If you never had mortadella, or a mortadella sandwich, or a fried mortadella, boy, you're in for a treat. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, let's go ahead and cut our sub roll in half, just like this. Now we're not cutting all the way through. Just cut it in half. But not all the way through, just like this. Alright, that looks good. Let's put that aside here. Alright guys, this is going to be a quick and easy, nice sandwich, and it's going to be very tasty. So let's get started cooking. Okay, today we're using our nice non-stick skillet here, and we're going to set our burner to medium. And we're going to put just a little bit of oil in. We don't need to use much oil because our mortadella here has some nice pork fat mixed in. See it? Beautiful. Okay, let's go ahead and put our mortadella in there. Now it doesn't matter how you put it, just kind of put it in there, just like that. Now we're going to bunch it all up, so there's about a pound of mortadella here, so we're just going to cook it up. Okay, let's give them a flip. Just kind of mix them up, right? Get some of that fat rendered down there. Boy, that smells good already. Now we're not looking to brown this. We just wanted to release some of that nice fat that's in there, and that really does smell good already, so it's looking pretty good. Okay, that's about done. Let's go ahead and lower our burner to low. And we'll take our nice provolone cheese and we'll put that on there. Just like this. Now don't forget to save some for on top when you put it on your sandwich, right? Okay. Now we're going to cover that and let our cheese melt. Okay guys, let's see how our cheese is doing. Okay, that's good. That's looking really good, and that is done. So let's shut off our burner. Now all we have to do is build our sandwich and put that on our nice toasted sub roll. So let's do that. Okay guys, here's our nice toasted sub roll. Let's open it up. Beautiful. Okay. Now we'll take our nice mortadella and cheese. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? And we'll put that right on there just like this. Can you see it? Beautiful. Boy, does that smell good. I wish you could smell this because it really does smell good. Now we're going to take a little more of our provolone cheese. Yep. And we're going to put that on there. Kind of freshen it up a little, right? And you could put a little bit of salt on, not much. A tiny bit of black pepper. Okay? And if you want to, you can put a little garlic powder on there, right? Now we're going to put a few parsley flakes on, just a little bit. Okay. Okay, let's see if we can fold this up. Yep, it's going to be a big one. So that's normal for me though. Let's see if we can fold it up. Okay, there you go. Beautiful. Okay. Let me see if I can turn it around so you can see it. Look at that sandwich. Can you see it? Boy, is that beautiful looking or what? Look at the mortadella and the cheese in there. I bet you this is going to taste so good I might have to make another one. Yep. Especially when the neighbors catch a sniff of this, right? I'll have to make another one, right? Okay. Alright guys, there you have it. Our delicious mortadella sandwich with plenty of cheese. And this is really going to taste good. Now this was made with authentic mortadella from Italy, right? And it was 10 pound and we sliced it up. And then we sliced it in half, nice and thin, so we could fry it up in our pan and make a delicious sandwich, just like this. This is really going to be tasty. If you never had a sandwich like this, go ahead and make one because you'll really, really enjoy it. Okay, let's get into it and have a bite. Okay, let's cut it in half. And let's see how we did. Look at that sandwich, guys. That is a beautiful sandwich right there. And I'll bet it's going to taste good. So I can't wait to have a bite. So let's go ahead and have a bite. Is that tasty? You're going to love these. I'm going to put it down here where you can see it. Okay? Can you see it? Wow. That's just flavorful right there. Now, if you never had a mortadella sandwich, like I said before, you're in for a treat. Just go ahead and make one and, enjoy it with your family. It's really, really good and tasty. Plus, you can fry it up in a pan and have it with eggs, too. So that makes really, really good sense for in the morning, right? A nice morning breakfast, right? Okay. All right, you know what to go good with this since we're having it for like a late lunch or a dinner? A nice chilled glass of red wine. Doesn't that sound good? It does. Alright guys, if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe and I'll catch you on the next one. Delicious mortadella sandwich with cheese. And let me tell you, this is delicious. Okay, I gotta have another little bite. Boy, doesn't that look good? Alright. Is that good?